Let's create a true first-person camera in Unreal Engine 5. It's very easy to make it, so let's start. First thing to do is to open your content browser and type in third person. Over here you will see third person blueprint. Double click it to open it up. Now select viewport. Over here we need to attach camera to the head of our third person mannequin. To do that, first we need to delete this camera boom. Camera boom in Unreal Engine 5 is a spring arm component that allows you to adjust the distance and angle of the camera from the actor. If you're interested in this, you can check out this video on how to smooth camera movement. Select camera boom and hit delete. Now select our follow camera and drop it to the mesh. On the right side, under parent socket, choose head. To position it on the head, make sure the camera location is 0, 0, 0. You can use this undo arrow to reset everything to 0. If I click compile and save and click play, our camera rotation is wrong. To fix this, you can manually move and position camera, or just type in these values. Okay, we need to change two more options to make camera follow our mannequin properly. Under camera options, make sure to enable use pawn control rotation. Now select BP third person character self. Under pawn category, make sure to enable use controller rotation yaw. Click compile and save. And you can see we have a nice true first person camera. Let's fix one last problem. If I start moving backwards, you can see that camera is glitching. To fix this, go to the BP third person blueprint, select character movement, type in orient, and uncheck orient rotation to movement. This will get rid of the camera glitch. And that's how you create true first-person camera in Unreal Engine 5. I hope you learned something new and useful from this video. If you like this quick tutorial, feel free to check out my other beginner-friendly tutorials about Unreal Engine. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.